mean no harm, but your boy got the magic stick, the dumb on. Bishop chicks are disappearing, thin air like mist or some shit like this, I swear. I take handcuffs off misses, I pick blocks wicked. I catch your eye cause my TikTok's twitching. My necklace glisten, or reckless chicks is eyeballing, yeah. And I call them like perfect pitches. Call me Mike Piazza, once I get them in. My fly casa is hot tubs, heated pools and old grooves. Call your old dude and tell him me old news. Tell that fella you feel like Cinderella with both shoes and it's almost two. Fuck the storybook ending, we bending the rules. This is somebody's girl part two. Boom.
Somebody's girl is in my mansion, shaking that ass to this. Somebody's girl is in my hot tub, drinking that glass of this. Somebody's girl is in my bedroom, and man, she's a superfood. Somebody's girl is leaving my crib, now on to the next girl. Somebody's girl is sitting in my lap, whisper two words and we both break out. My Maybach seat is just as big as a couch. Better sing, girl, now that the mic's in your mouth. Come on, let's get nasty, let's get naughty. Rolling around like a four-wheel after party. We stop at a red light, there go your girls in them. Now we got the green light, driver follow them. You rotating with it, gotta spend money like a world spin round. First gotta ever put the singing rap down. Say the name kills and these chicks spellbound, because these chicks know I put the 12 play down. I gotta have it, I just can't stop limping. Maybe because I just can't stop pimping. No matter what I do, I can't stop leaning. When the fresh product's on and the sun is shining. Girls, it's your boyfriend with that remix that keeps you clubbing. This collabo crack got you feeling. The industry kings and the rest is dreaming. Somebody's girl is in my mansion, shaking that ass to this. Somebody's girl is in my hot tub, drinking that glass of this. Somebody's girl is in my bedroom, and man, she's a superfood. Somebody's girl is leaving my crib, now on to the next move.
The moral of the tale, if you love your tail, treat it well, keep away from hoe and kill. Because we can't stop pimping. We put it on her till she can't stop limping. She be a goner, you can play tough guy in the corner. I smooth her out in the sauna. Yeah, I blew it out in the Bahamas. Yeah, your little mama got a Stella on. We got it on like the telephone. Mr. Rockefeller, gone.
Somebody's girl is in my mansion, shaking that ass to this. Somebody's girl is in my hot tub, drinking that glass of grease. Somebody's girl is in my bedroom, and man, she's a superfood. Somebody's girl is leaving my crib, now on to the next movie.